Hey, so for this part, what you're going to do is, these are two magnets right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to play with them to see how they interact when one of them is charged and one of them is uncharged, with both positive and negative. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit here. I pressed positive and they stuck together. So you're going to answer question number 3, which wants you to compare your tape to magnets. Then you're going to do question 4, which, just talk about what patterns you see. Question 5 is, you're going to, kind of like draw some conclusions about why these things, like how they might be similar or different. And then, then we're going to adjust the charges on the two spheres to make them behave like the two T strips of tape, the ones that were on the top, did when they were brought close together. So those were two like charges, right? So then you're going to take a snapshot. So I'm going to say if they were both positively charged, right, or negatively charged, then they're going to be far apart. So I just need to take a snapshot. So I just click this, and then it just like takes a snapshot. Okay, then I say done. There. And then it saves it. Cool. So same deal with this. The T and B tape, so that's like opposite charges, right? That'd be like plus and minus, what they did when they were close together. So here we go. I'm going to wait for them to do their whole thing because they are. Okay, so now I'm going to take a snapshot of that.
Mom, would you just give me water with ice in it?
And yeah, so that's the idea there. So then you'll do another one. So the two B strips, so those are like charges again. What are like charges going to do? So then it says a simulation is a type of model, and a model must connect to a phenomenon. How does this simulation relate to the phenomenon you observed with the T and B tape strips? So you're going to be like, the question here is basically like, is it similar or different? Like, do you think the same thing is going on there? Yeah, I mean, so it's basically like, is this the same kind of phenomenon that's going on with the tape? Yes or no? What's similar, what's different? Cool. And that is the end of that one. I think the reading is attached to the rest of your assignment. Cool. Hope that helps.